My favourite free app this week is DLYM from Imaginando. Available in audio unit form on both Mac and iOS, DLYM is a delay modulator plugin which produces flanger and chorus style effects. You have a huge amount of control over the sounds that you'll create with DLYM. You have time, feedback sync, rate, depth and waveform controls on top here, and processing mode, stereo spread, crossover, dry, wet and mute controls on the bottom. Imaginando have packed in a whopping 20 presets here, which range from bizarre and destructive to more low-key and subtle. Even the crazier presets can be suitably tamed using DLYM's well laid out and intuitive controls, however, and it's easy to lose hours tinkering and shaping some unique sounds. Once you install it on your Mac, DLYM will show up in your list of plugins as per usual. In GarageBand for iOS, you'll load up DLYM the same as any other audio unit, and I found it to be incredibly stable and light on CPU usage, so you can slap as many instances of the app on your tracks without worrying about lockups or freezes. DLYM is particularly effective on guitar tracks, though it's definitely worth experimenting with it on GarageBand's big ol' library of virtual instruments too. Imaginando's DLYM is available for iPhone and iPad from the App Store and on Mac from Imaginando's website. You'll find links to both of those down below. I'll be back with another free app next week. In the meantime, share your favourite free apps in the comments below. Bye for now.